Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FFHL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually Friday's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I'm going to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down there at the volume, and well above average volume on the day, so a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going into next week. First key level of support that stands out is essentially where that first pullback bottomed out, and that was right around the $4.50 mark. So $4.50 going to be that first key level to keep an eye on. Again, nothing fancy other than the fact that the price made the big move there, and then it pulled back and found some support before working its way back upwards. So for that reason, like I said, $4.50 is going to be that initial level. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as next week plays out, that line will move itself higher and higher and get more and more relevant. But as far as kind of a big picture, just general health perspective in terms of how do you measure the health of the overall move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, staying above 450 would be best case for the big picture point of view. But really, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, key level right up there around $6.35. Yeah, I realize the price did technically go up above there on a couple different occasions, but just in kind of just a general price congestion point of view, very clear that general area is where all the sellers are sitting around, give or take, like I said, a few pennies in either direction. So keep a close eye on that going forward. But anyway, look at it. Massive volume, great price movement. Going to be a lot of eyeballs on this one on Monday. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.